Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the machines and how to remove the bits. Most of the problem, even I first time also face the problem. Whenever we inserting the bit inside the machine, it's easy to go inside, but it's a little bit hard to remove or hard to tight and loose also. Some machine has the keys, you put a keys and here it loose or tight, it's easy. And some machines you put inside, you hold the base of the this front side and you push the button, it's tight. And machine gives another button here, this is going clockwise and anti-clockwise. It like tight the clockwise or anti-clockwise, or it loosen another direction. You click the button here, it's going both direction, here and here. You click it, it go. When I push the button and press the button here, it is going another direction. See, another direction. You can see it. If I push it again, it go another direction. One time when I click it, it's tight it. When I hold this, it's the front, it tight it. If I click the button, hold it, it lose it. It's lose it. Another kind of machines are there, very easy. I use it, I hold it, no come out. I push the button, I press the button, no come out. It's still tight. It's very easy. Just to the front side to pull it down. Front side, push it down or pull it down. Or you click it out. Easy. That's it. Thank you. Enjoy it, because I also face the problem. I thought a lot of people are facing problem. Enjoy it. Take care. Stay safe.